Hey, did that package ever get here? Oh, it did? Alright, let's check it out. Okay, Dougie. Welcome back to a unboxing video. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. I'm sure it's going to be a manifest, or if I need to power it up first. But what do we see what they put in here? I'm sure there's a manifest or what's going on. So let's do a SIM card. Wow. I'm a little bit of a boomer here. You actually have to snap it out of this thing. We have a Galaxy A32 5G. Nothing special, but I now have a phone with a screen on it. There's all sorts of legalese on the sides there. Okay, better. I got a box. Another box within a box. We got boxception here. Alright, what did it come with? Holy cow, this thing is big. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I've got it right down to the bottom, so I'm going to set this aside. This is how it was packed in here. With a cable, this power doodad. This little hook thing was underneath everything. And looks like I got another SIM card. I'm going to put the cards in there for now. You've already seen these. Some of you already know what that is. Let's see what's in this thing. Looks like instructions. Quick reference guide. Guia práctica de referencia. And términos y condiciones, terms and conditions. And then we're going to have to figure out this. This is probably how you get the card in and out, I bet, by the port. Let's take a quick 360 around here. I guess I should move the loss here. If I could just get this tab open, I think that's it out of the thing. Okay. I think I got a gray one. I'll probably get a cover for it. Manufactured in Vietnam. Looks like I got a camera up there as well, front facing. There's a port here, I think, but it's totally flush, so I'm going to have to study that. And we got our connectors at the bottom. Those are the grills there, so one of these is probably mic and speaker, a jack, and also the main plug for this thing, it looks like. Let's see what sort of USB we got here. I think I can just pull this out literally. Yep. So that mates at the bottom here. And here's your normal USB. And then we got this thing, which will probably go like this, I guess. And then I can actually plug this into an outlet. Oh, look at that. I don't know if this is going to do anything, but quick summary again. Just a little life unboxing here. So we're getting some numbers coming up. I'll talk over while we're doing this because I have no idea what's going to happen next. Looks like it's the power. Galaxy A32 5G, Samsung. Just a phone upgrade to get me to the 5G network. Also supplied from T-Mobile were a basic SIM card, and then the secondary one on top of that, because I think I ordered a memory upgrade as well. It was thrown in. been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series of curios for the curious videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.